Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to download Roblox Studio on mobile phone. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So how to get access to Roblox Studio on mobile phone? First of all, go to the roblox.com in web browser. After that, here you will find the option of continue in browser. Tap on it. And here you have to log into your account. Here at the top, you will find the options of create. So simply tap on it. Now you have to create here. So for that, you have to go to the desktop mode. So on the top right corner of your screen, tap on these three dots. And here you'll find the option of desktop site. So simply switch it on to desktop site, which will help you and make easy for you to work on this roblox.com. So here we are done. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.